Hello students, today we are going to learn about the conversion of Roman numerals. Roman numerals are the combination of these 7 letters that are I for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and the last one is M, that is for 1000. Then now how to write Roman numerals? If we want to write number from 1 to 10, this is the way to write it. 1, simply I. 2, put 2 I's. 3, put 3 I's. And then 4. Now the first rule is we cannot repeat the number more than 3 times. As we cannot repeat I more than 3 times, so we have to write it like this. Now the formula behind it is 4. If we minus 1 from 5, we get 4. We have 5, symbol for 5 is V minus 1, that is 4. And 4 is written like this. It means if a smaller number comes before the larger number, this is the smaller number, it comes before the larger number, then you have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number, which we did. Subtract smaller number from the larger number, that is 4. So we have to write 4 like this. Now 5 we have V, 6 simply V I, and it means 5 plus 1, that is 6. 7 V I, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. Now we have 8 V I, that is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. Now if we have to write, say if we want to write 9, so how do we write it? Earlier we have done 8, that is V I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. Now we want to write 9. As you know, we cannot repeat a number or a symbol more than 3 times. So how do we write 9? It will be written as 1x, that is 10 minus 1. So we have to put the smaller number before the bigger number, that is 9. Now we have 10, that is x, and so on. Now we are going to learn about the numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. How do we write 10? 10 is like this. Now 20, that is x. 10 plus 10. How do we write 30? X, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now you know you cannot repeat a number more than 3 times. So how do we write 40? It is like, we know the number for 50 is, the symbol for 50 is L. So how do we write 40? 50 minus 10. So we have to put 10 first, that is smaller number first. Then we have to put 50, L. So the symbol for 40 is XL. We have 50, 60, L, X, that is 50 plus 10. Now we have 70. Similarly, L, X, X, that is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Similarly, we have 80. L, X, 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 that is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is equal to 80. Now again we know we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So how do we write 90? Here to write 90, we have to put smaller number. We know that 90 is 100 minus 10. So we have to put the symbol of smaller number first, that is X, and then we have to put the symbol of larger number, that is C. So 90 would be XC, and then C. How do we combine the numbers? Say if I want to write 123, we break up the number 100 plus 20 plus 3. How do we write 100? C. How do we write 20? That is X, X, and how to write 3? That is 1, 1, I. So the number 123 would become CXII, CXXII. 123. Say if we want to write 92, so we have to break the number in 90 plus 2, that is 90 is XC and 2 is 2. So the 92 would be XCII.